guys, these cookies are done. It's nice, it's soft. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making some cookie and I have a special guest with me that in this house he makes amazing cookies. So he is going to make us nice tasty cookie tonight. So where is my special guest? It's Samuel. Yay!
I've got 100 grams of butter here, and I have also got some brown sugar. It is 85 grams of brown sugar there.
Put it in.
I'm just gonna put that in the pot. Let's hit a little bit real quick. I'm also I got some sugar here. Some white sugar is half a cup.
Oh yeah.
I think it's called granulated.
Granulated sugar. It's white sugar. It's just they are brothalizing it. Yeah. So put
this
it.
is not all gone though. 1 minute, guys.
Let me give it a shake.
Okay, so I've also now have to put in some of my.
No, you can sift it with the.
Actually, I'm gonna sift this then.
Get your whisk.
I'm going to now add my butter to the recipe.
Yeah, and you're going to use 1 whole banana.
I don't know if I've said the rest of the ingredients, guys, but I have got some flour here. It is a whole cup of flour.
Your hand is too.
Sorry, guys.
Bring your
there you
hand
go.
down.
That's my flour there.
1 cup.
I've now also poured in the butter, so I'm going to use this. It's kind of a mess right now, guys. Not going to lie, like I'm just saying loads of random stuff and doing stuff. So I've got 2 packs of chocolate chip cookies. I've got milk chocolate chip and dark chocolate chip, guys. Don't know if you can see it properly, but there it is for you. And also, of course, vanilla extract.
Yeah, and baking soda.
Baking soda and some salt.
Salt. Half.
The exact measurements.
Yeah, you did put half a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 whole banana. So I am gonna mash the bananas while you mix them.
I'm going to start mixing it.
Well done, Alex.
Okay, there you go. No shells. I think I deserve a clap for that. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Alright, so
I'm gonna continue mixing this now. I'm gonna put my sieve over the bowl so I can get the rest of the stuff.
it's fine, leave it there. It's fine.
Okay. Flour's going in.
Add in your salt
and not gonna remember that baking soda. Wait, I really want to move this real quick, guys. This is what it's looking like right now.
So we added the bananas already.
Okay, we added the bananas in as well, so I'm just gonna continue mixing. Oh, guys, I forgot. We have to add in the vanilla extract. I just get messed when I do this. You can add as much as you want to. It's not like
if you don't want a lot, don't add a lot. This is going to
maybe I'll like.
We might have half and half. Oh, you do it too much. Yeah, let's just go for it.
A little bit more of that one.
That's nice.
I don't like dark chocolate as much as milk chocolate.
So now, stirring it is a bit hard because it's tough. So I'm taking it off. I always do. It's smelling so nice. So at this stage, get your thing. So we're gonna cover this, leave it to rest.
So guys, now I am opening the oven after taking. I think it's been in here for 13 minutes. I'm gonna just wait. I don't know what to put.
13, 1, 3.
Yeah, 13 minutes. Guys, the thing has kind of, I didn't place it in the right place. So it kind of got stuck here. You can see here. Oh yeah, guys, make sure also to leave it. Yeah, just to leave it to cool down.
Leave it to cool down.
So I'm just gonna start separating the cookies because they're kind of
And put them on the
stuck. And I'm gonna start putting them in the cooling rug as well. It's been stuck in these places. Next time, I need to make sure I don't put them. Well, actually, I might just not do it at all. I might get my mother to do it because it's not gonna be done properly if I do it. Oh, no, let me just pick it up. Oh.
Very good.
Let's leave the rest there to cool. Leave the rest in there to cool.
We're gonna leave the rest here for just like a little bit.
Let it set at room temperature and then you can.
Alright guys, these cookies are done. It's nice, it's soft. Me and Joel are gonna do the taste test. So you have half and let's see. 3, 2, 1. That's nice.
Is there a thumbs up from the judges?
Yeah. Thumbs up from the judges. The banana one is nice. I like the banana one than the other one you did.
And also, can you guys try this recipe at home? We'll leave the ingredients down below. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on
Sharing
the
is
post.
caring. Share. Thank you from us. So stay tuned for another video. Guys, Samuel don't want to come in. All he wants to do is to record.
The man is camera shy.
Well, yeah, he's a cameraman and he's camera shy, as Joel just said. So, by the way, I need to go to work. So I need to take some to my girls at work. So they are gonna be your judges tonight. So stay tuned for another video. God bless you all. Keep loving yourself because you are important. Bye. I'm not sure.
This
That's how
old
they
people
do it.
stuff. This is such old people. She did a rectangle.
Well, I'm trying. How do you do that?